Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are unboxing Vettsy. We are going to do their May mystery box. So we will go ahead and jump right into it and let's get to opening the package. On the inside, of course, we always have their awesome heart little bubble wrap, which is so cute and I love that. And it's all sealed up, so we'll open that. All right, and here is the inside. Looks like we have some stuff here on top. I'll just move the box over so we can get to seeing what's inside. First, we have a Vettsy card, and it is a thank you card with some things about Vettsy saying thank you for the purchase. And on the card is a 25% off your next order code. So there's thanks 25 if you guys want to use that for your next order. Go ahead. So here are some stickers. They were on the inside of the box, but on the outside of the little bag in here. Looks like little lines. These little shape ones, I don't know what those are really. Little card on polish and how to remove it. Little tip card if you've never used it, I suppose. And then some holographic butterflies. We have some silver hearts. And these are white flowers, white roses, just they're identical to this black one right here. They're just white. So we got both of those. And then we have these holographic stars, which are pretty cool. And some white hearts. So all of those were on the outside of the bag. And then this is what is inside. We'll remove it from the box and get that out of the way. And as you see, it's this pretty little pink, like satiny kind of bag. It's got their name on it. It's pretty cute. So we'll open this and get to the mystery contents. So we have this little heart-shaped thing that has sponges in it. I suppose if you do makeup tutorial videos and things like that, you can use it for that, or gradients on your nails or something to that effect. Then we have this, and I saw on one of their videos that this is a brush holder. So you can use it as a brush holder, or if you already have a brush holder, you can use it for something else. I mean, it's pretty. Oh, you could do like this for your pictures or something, but if not, that's a unique brush holder. Here we have some files, and it looks like on the edges they are color coded. So we have a 100, a 180, and a 240 grit file. And that's the shape, so those are pretty awesome. Then we have these cool butterfly charms. There are two in the package. They are pretty big, so you can see a size there, reference for my thumbnail. So those are big charms, big, but they're very pretty. Then we have all of these charms in here. Looks like some iridescent flowers, a couple of stones, there's some caviar beads in there. Looks pretty awesome. And then we have some glitters, some pretty iridescents. They are color tinted. Sometimes you can't see them here in this light. I'm trying to show you. There we go. Now you can see the different colors that are also in them. So those are all iridescent. And next we have the stones. Okay. Y'all ever play that game where you had to wiggle and jiggle everything until it went into place? That's what I felt like I was doing right here, and this is basically as best as I could get it. Was right here. So, good enough, I suppose. So, maybe I'm gonna stop. Okay. All right. So here we have these rhinestones. It's like this brown one, and there's the purple one. We also have a blue one, and then the pink one over here. And if you can't see here, there we go. They are not flat back. They do have a little point. It's not a high point, but it's still a point. And they were pretty large, but there are those rhinestones. Now we have a package of stickers, which is the rainbow flames, and those are nice. Then we also have some silver holographic smiley faces. Some looks like leftover Easter stickers, and some flowers and gold lines. And then we have these iridescent sheets. I suppose if you want to do the nails, the Japanese kind of nails, I guess that's what that's for. Then we have this, and it took me a minute to figure out what that was. It is a stamper. I don't know how to put it together and use it. I'll have to see if I can find something like that. But basically, you're supposed to stamp the nail on a piece of paper in order to make designs on the paper. So I don't know if this opens or what is exactly. I don't know where to put the ink. I don't know if you get to stamp on the ink. I don't know how to use it. I wish I could tell you, but they provide you the ink and the stamper. Basically what it's supposed to look like is this right here when you're done stamping. It gives you something that you can draw a design on. And then we have this double-ended sponge, which is awesome for gradients and things like that, and the pretty stones in the middle. They do not give you extra sponge heads though, so it's just those two. And we have this package of pigments. These are so pretty. I love pigments. And did you see the size of this box? I had to open it. Look at that. See how big that is? Because look at the size of this container of pigment powder. I shouldn't run out of pigment powder forever. Like, this is huge. And it is sealed, which is awesome, as we all know. So for size comparison, these are the sizes that you usually get pigments in, and this is the size of this pigment container. So yeah, huge pigments. Love that. Then we have a gel polish palette, the solid gels. And oh, this is pretty. It's like a little compact. The colors are listed on the back. So we have the all pure palette. Say that 3 times fast. And there's the colors. Oh, it looks like right there. Mine kind of got a little thing in it. Touched the other one, but not a big deal. But there are those colors. The nude family, not too bad. That's how thick that is, so you can kind of guesstimate how much is in those. We have a white pigment powder, white iridescent pigment powder. It's white. There's no color shift. There's no pink or purple or anything like that. It's white. And then these little guys, which I guess are toe separators. So if you use those, then those would be cute because they have little characters on them. If you don't, then I don't know what to tell you about that. Let's get into these gel colors here. So this one is the Unicorn series. These are on well. They should not leak. Trust me. This was very sticky. Like they were stuck down. See how pretty that is? It's a white iridescent. It has the pink and purple color shift to it. It's pretty thick gel, as you can see right there. This is just one coat and it's not very thick. So it does awesome coverage. There's the color shift. So it's a Unicorn series number 7, and that's what that one looks like. Then we have the reflective amber. And, ooh, this is the blue one. Looks like I got a blue one. It is very pretty. I see mylar pieces in there and a bunch of glitters. So I'm going to take it from inside instead of the lid so I can get some of the mylar pieces in there. And they are bigger. They're decent size mylar pieces, I should say. So make sure you make sure to get them on the nail themselves. It's very pretty though, but it can be bumpy. Make sure you get your top coat on there and smooth everything out. Got to get the mylar on there. So there's reflective amber, and that's RA03. It was still a little bumpy under the top coat, so you may want to like encapsulate that. So that way, if you like the feel of smooth nails, make sure you encapsulate it. So I got the 4 solid gels. Let's open these and get into the colors. So here these are. They're solid gel polish. And for the first color we are going to do number 37. And I'm only going to open one of them on camera because you kind of get the gist of opening the seals on the pots. And look at that, that's awesome. Solid gel. It's a pretty color. Let's see. All right, so there you go. You can see the consistency is awesome. Doesn't move on the brush or in the pot. It's a nice coat on the nail. It's not too sticky. It goes on really smoothly, actually. If you see some lines in there, it's my brush. I want to use it until it's dead. You know how that goes. But look at how pretty that is. And that's just one single coat right there for number 37. One side matte, one side glossy. Look at that, guys. That's awesome. Now we have number 27, which some people would say pea green, but in my house we call that baby poop. Baby poop green. Don't ask me why we call it baby poop green, because nobody ever had any poop that was that color. So pea green soup, I suppose we'll say. But this one is a really solid pigment. The other one wasn't as solid a pigment, but I mean it looked awesome, but this one is just extremely pigmented. So went on smoothly, only needed that single coat. Number 27, matte glossy. It's a pretty color. Pea green soup. Now we have this one, number 41, which is kind of like a purpley pink color. See that? That doesn't even move. It's definitely good viscosity on that. This one was stickier than the other ones. I don't know why that would be. Could be heat, I don't know, but it was a little stickier, but nothing to be concerned about because gel polish itself is more sticky than this was. But there is that single coat, and I'm going to show you here that it is kind of sheer, so you can see the lid there through that versus my finger. So if you wanted it darker, I mean, definitely put on more than one coat. This is just one single coat. All of these are single coated. Matte finish versus glossy finish. Number 41. Now we have the final one, which is number 21. And look at that, it's so pretty just in the pot itself. It's so pretty. On that, there you can see. Watch how this goes on this nail. Watch this. Oh, look at that shimmer. And you guys already know the camera doesn't do shimmer justice. So if it looks that good on camera, yeah, you can imagine what it looks like in real life. There that is. Number 21, matte glossy. That one's really pretty, trust me. Really pretty. Love that. I love just looking at that. That's so pretty. Say that again. So pretty. Okay. And then I got this. This was not part of the mystery box. This was an additional order. These were on sale for $7.99, and then I used a 25% off code. So they were about $6. And I mean, I have to get these for $6. Come on now. Look at this. This is the gold. Look at all those stones that are in there. This is like a gunmetal. It is just so pretty. It looks lighter and on film right there, but it's darker. It's very pretty. And oh, this, I love this. Look at that. I like pink. And of course we have the amber color. So pretty. Needed that one. This one, check that out. I don't have anything like that. That is so pretty. Unicornish, I should say, huh? And then this blue, kind of blue silver shift. I love that. That is so pretty. I wonder how many times I can say so pretty. And then these, ooh, so pretty. The purple to pink, and there's a slight orange shift in there. Like, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And I also got this cuticle pen, or cuticle oil pen in just aloe. I needed a pen because I like the pens. I don't like to get everything all greasy. So that is the order, guys. This is the May mystery box right here. If you have not done so, check out Vettsy. They have lots of things. If you have not got a mystery box, these are the kinds of things that come in the mystery box. This was my first mystery box. I'm sure I'll be getting another one sometime. Use that code and go get you some Vettsy. Thanks for watching, guys. I super duper appreciate it.